Hey, filmmakers and content creators, welcome to our channel. Today, we're venturing into the realm of smartphone videography, focusing on the top 5 best smartphone gimbals of 2024. If steady shots and cinematic smoothness are what you seek, you're in the right place. But before we showcase these game changers, do us a favor. Hit the like button, share the video, comment with your thoughts, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more tech goodness. Want to get hands-on with these gimbals? Check out the description below for all the links. Number 5. ZHIYUN Smooth Q4. Our list kicks off with ZHIYUN Smooth Q4. An epitome of elegance, this gimbal combines an ergonomic design with a silky smooth surface, ensuring optimal hand feel during use. It's not just about the aesthetics though. This gimbal boasts a nifty 215mm extendable rod, giving filmmakers the flexibility to capture wider backgrounds and innovative angles. Adding a feather to its cap, the multifunctional control wheel streamlines one-hand operations, adjusting brightness and focal length effortlessly. Your user interface is no less intuitive, with clear indicators and a well-organized control panel. But here's the clincher, the ZHIYUN app. Acting as your personal cinematography coach, it guides users to produce captivating content with just a few taps. Number 4. MOZA Mini-MX2. The MOZA Mini-MX2 is more than just a gimbal, it's a testament to technological evolution. Packing a punch with its professional camera stabilizer level anti-shake algorithm, it ensures your videos remain jitter-free. Its ace, however, is the AI face recognition. Whether you're capturing spontaneous toddler giggles or action-packed pet antics, the gimbal's AI swiftly locks onto faces, delivering precise tracking. The magic mode is, well, magical, offering an array of templates catering to users of all expertise levels. For those seeking diverse filming techniques, this gimbal supports a plethora, from panoramic shooting to the iconic Hitchcock mode. A major draw is the technologically advanced mobile phone holder, enhancing user convenience and overall experience. Number 3. Insta 360 Flow. Third, but by no means a compromise, is the Insta 360 Flow. Compatible with both major mobile OS, it showcases the marvel of AI-powered tracking. Subjects remain firmly in frame and focus, a testament to its advanced re-identification, zoom, and slow-motion tracking capabilities. With 3-axis stabilization, every motion, from a subtle tilt to a bold swerve, is captured with unparalleled finesse. Versatility is its forte, integrating a selfie stick, tripod, and power bank. The convenience? Unfold, deploy in one step, and you're ready to roll. The battery, boasting a whopping 12-hour lifespan, ensures day-long filming. Compact yet powerful, this gimbal is every mobile filmmaker's dream. Number 2. Hohem iSteady M6 Kit. Moving further, Hohem's iSteady M6 Kit promises innovation with every turn. The standout feature, its magnetic fill light coupled with an AI vision sensor, guarantees impeccable face and body tracking. Embedded within lies the iSteady 7.0 stabilization algorithm, designed for impeccable, shake-free shots, be it a serene walk or a brisk run. With its OLED display, users stay updated on crucial gimbal stats at a glance. Its control wheel is an embodiment of versatility, allowing roll axis rotation, focus control, and light adjustment. A game changer is its capability to power on, irrespective of the phone's positioning. Be it facing the roll motor or away, the wide-angle shots remain unhindered. Number 1. DJI Osmo Mobile 6. DJI Osmo Mobile 6 reigns supreme. Its Active Track 6.0, equipped with refined tracking tech, ensures subjects, be it dynamic kids or pets, remain front and center. Eliminating the bane of mobile videography, shaky footage, the 3-axis stabilization offers buttery smooth clips. Built for the spontaneous filmmaker, it powers up instantly upon unfolding. Its built-in extension rod further widens the scope for creativity. First-time users will cherish the shot guides, providing scene-specific recommendations. The side wheel, an invitation to explore cinematic effects, be it a dramatic blur or the Hitchcock zoom. It's lightweight, sturdy, and designed to cater to the needs of every smartphone videographer. Finally, there you have it, the pinnacle of smartphone gimbals in 2024, bridging the gap between amateur and professional filming. We're passionate about helping you create with precision and grace. Thanks for joining our tech exploration today. Keep those shots steady, and until our next tech deep dive, happy filming! Check price and more details, link in description below.